does help drive our currency. But also, remember, underlying is that interest rate differential between us and the US. That remains wide. It doesn't look to be widening anytime soon. As I said, the G20 could have a big impact this weekend, looking, a week ahead for the Aussie dollar. If global sentiment can remain on a bit of a firm footing, and we do get a bit of a positive spin from the G20, we could see the Aussie challenging the high 80s, even the early 90s early next week.
Interesting to see the Swiss franc back in favour, investors dumping the euro amidst continued sovereign debt uncertainty. What are you eyeing, I guess, in the few hours ahead? Fed decision? What will they be saying about the current state of play?
Yeah, certainly. Look, nothing on the data front domestically for our session, so we are going to be a bit directionless today. It could be choppy. FOMC tonight. Well, in fact, Bank of England at 6:30 will also see some minutes from them. But FOMC, all eyes on that. We're not expecting them to change their rate, but given the combination of the recent market volatility, their low inflation, slightly improving labour market, I think we're going to be looking very closely at that commentary for some sort of hint or signal as to when they might start to be moving forward. Also out of the US tonight, we've got some more home sales data, new home sales this time. And if last night's earnings to go on, I'd suggest you to brace yourself.
Indeed, those home sales not sitting where they need to be to show signs of traction. Simon, great to have you back on board. We'll check in with you next time. Simon Mara there from Aliom with us now on a regular basis.